every time I log on to LinkedIn, I see the Taplio Chrome extension giving me my metrics right off the bat. This is super helpful because I can see my follower count, my impressions, engagement, and how that's averaging. What I also really like is I can find my top performing posts in my network, but I can also find my own top performing posts. So this is gonna show me my top performing posts. I love this because when I'm going to find what to repurpose, I can just go here and I can find a piece of content that I want to repurpose. So how I'm going to repurpose this, it's going to copy my post to the clipboard. I'm going to bring it over into Taplio and I'm going to repurpose it, and then I'm going to schedule it out for, maybe like a month from now. I posted that a month ago, so I'm scheduling that out for a month from now. I love repurposing content. Y'all, if I have a piece of content that performs well, I am repurposing it literally every single month for the next 6 months. I am not kidding. You do not have to come up with new content ideas every day.